What's up everyone? For today I have something to announce that I will be launch the trading signal. This is the daily trading signal that I am and the team here creating, something that we can follow the signal and make the trade. So the trade is based on our technical analysis on the market, and then after analyzing the technique, and then the signal will be sent like you see here on our Telegram chat group. This signal is based on our algorithms of trading strategy that we are setting in the trading of binary option. This signal can be used in both Olymp Trade and IQ options. Like here you see that the signal just offer EURJPY is a bullish signal, like you can see on the chart. After the bullish signal give, and then the chart start to shooting up. So based on our algorithms on technical analysis and price action of the market, then this signal is provided. So to be very successful on this signal, so you needed to use your graph as a Fibonacci graph, because Fibonacci graph tell us about the reversal and tell us about the potential of that reversal going to happen. So that's why I recommend you using this signal. You can use this for 1 minute up to 15 minutes, so based on your use. If you see 1 minute is work for you, so stick with 1 minute. If you see that 15 minutes work for you, so stick with 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so in this case I will use 1 minute. And before I make any decision based on this signal, first thing I will need it to set up right now. So let me turn my signal off a bit. Go into my Telegram, just turn back Telegram off. The graph, let's set the graph here. For the graph, I will set it into Fibonacci graph. So in this case, I can see that the trend is about to get a reversal. We can see that the overbought and oversold, tell us that about a stochastic oscillator. You see that these are calling we call an overbought place. So when it is overbought, so this price will be going to get up higher pretty soon. And when these two line of oscillator come to above on oversold, so this tell us that soon the price will be fall. So we see that now it's about to be oversold. And then we look into the MACD. If you follow me on my YouTube channel, you already know that this technique is work very perfectly with just the strategy and the indicator alone. But plus with the signal that I'm going to provide you, this is going to be something that you can make money I can say, I'm not saying that every day, maybe almost every single day that you can make. Okay, let's follow the first signal that I'm just hearing. So we wait for that to offer to our Telegram group. Let's show you how does that work. Okay, so go into my Telegram groups. So as you can see, this is the new signal provided. It's EURUSD. They give us a bullish. So let's change our graph to EURUSD. Okay, now I can see that MACD almost overbought, and then the Fibonacci already changed the colors to be green. So the signal just give us that this market going to be bull. So this one is really something really trigger a profit for us. Just follow the robot signal. So in this case, I will do around 5 to 10 trade if it's possible, but it depends on how long will I get the signal in half an hour and 1 hour. We'll see how many signal we get during 1 hour, and then we will trade just based on this signal alone, and we'll find out how many trade correct and how many trade that are incorrect. So we will find out together. So this is the active trade. Okay, it seemed like the first trade we lost. So the signal just fall back. So the first one we lost, and let's wait for the second one. We just got the triggers, and now we're a little here. Let's see. So I'm going the second one. Just remember the first one we got the trade and we missed that one, and this one it seemed like after we got the signal, and then 1 minute later it changed to be green, and then we enter our trade, after we got the green candle on Fibonacci. So let's find out if the second one is correct or not. Let's look to our history right here. So it seems like we are going to make money on this one. Okay, it seems like we are correct. Okay, so we are back $16. Let's wait for more signals to come. Okay, we'll turn this one off. We see the history trade. Okay, let's study about the history here together because we have egg trade. So let's count from this one. Egg trade, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So egg trade. So we missed 2. And this one is about this morning. It's not today, so we're not included here that I'm showing. So in the morning, so this is the history in the morning. We can see that we still have more profitable trading using this technique. So sometimes when we are trading on the signal, I feel that it's much more secure and safe than we let the robot to trade for us alone, because robot just running following the signal. When they give a bull signal, they buy, bear signal, they sell, and they don't care, about the market condition, if it is good or bad, but they just follow the trade and make an order for you. That is kind of a risky to me. When we are following the trading signals, so it's much more secure because you can make your own judgment as well. You use the signal, and also you use your knowledge to analyze the markets too. So in this case, human and robot work together, and they can, it's possible to create more pleasant result in the long term. And it's also help you to have money management and risk management in the trade. So you know that this one you can double to follow or to recover the loss, and this one you should not double, just keep it straight. And you can feel that, in the market. And if the market's really, volatility, really swingy and bad, and then you're not following the signal blindly. So that is the conclusion for me. That's it. So if you're interested to use the robot, so register the link down below. After 1 week of trial finish, so we will start our contract on sharing profit, because in this way it's help you to not to pay upfront for the service. You just pay when you make money, and if you don't make any money, so you don't have to pay me anything. That's the deal. I think this is the best deal that you can have. 10% of profit share if you make the profit from this signal. If you don't make any profit, so there will be no share on that as well. So I think it's a good entry for people who don't have enough money to start, trading, but you can also using this robot right away. If you find out that it's work for you and it's make money, so we can start our sharing profit, 20% and 90% for you. So that's it for now. So if you're interested, so register the link down below and get the robot signal and start making money right now. For now, bye bye.